Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome back to our DIY 3D printer series. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can build frame for your DIY 3D printer, and also I will show you each component for 3D printer's frame, and I will also tell you the exact length for the aluminum profiles that we are going to use in our 3D printer. So first of all, let me give you an overview that which components we are going to use. Here you can see these are the aluminum profiles. I'm going to use 2020 aluminum profiles and one 2040 aluminum profile for y-axis, and also you can see here corner brackets. I'm going to use 8 corner brackets. You can see 6 black corner brackets and 2 white corner brackets, and also I'm going to use two 90-degree brackets to join the aluminum profiles vertically. So now let me tell you the exact lengths for aluminum profiles. Here you can see three 2020 aluminum profiles. These are the aluminum profiles with 300 mm length, and these two are aluminum profiles with 140 mm, and here you can see three more aluminum profiles with 360 mm length, and also we are going to use one 2040 aluminum profile in y-axis which has the length of 400 mm, and also you are going to need M5 into 8 mm screws with M5 T-nuts, or you can also say hammer nut. So we are going to use these components to build our frame structure. So let's start to build our frame. First of all, we will build the base of our 3D printer. So we are going to need two these small profiles and two 300 mm profiles, and we are going to connect them. So let's connect them first. So this is how you are going to assemble aluminum profiles at the base. So these are the two profiles of 140 mm and these two profiles are of 300 mm. So make sure align them correctly so you don't feel any disturbance at any corner. So you can see here these are perfectly aligned, so otherwise you will face difficulties later. So now I'm going to attach these two 360 aluminum profiles. One is here and the second one is here, and I'm going to use 90-degree corner bracket. First one is here, second one is here, and I'm going to use two 90-degree corner brackets to join them. So let's assemble them now. So this is how you are going to attach these two profiles on frame like this. As you can see here, 190-degree corner bracket is here attached with the aluminum profile that is joining this profile with this base frame, and also the second 20-degree or 90-degree corner bracket is here. So you can use all 5 holes. So I just used 4 screws, 2 on the bottom and 2 on this rod. So this is how you are going to attach these 90-degree brackets on frame. And now for the top profile. So we are going to attach top profile later. So I will tell you that why we are going to use it later, because for the z-axis we will have to insert gantries with POMV wheels from here. So after inserting the gantries with wheels, we are going to attach the profile on the upper side. So that 2040 profile we are going to use in y-axis. So let me show you how you are going to attach it on frame. So that's how you are going to attach 2040 aluminum profile on y-axis. Like so, I just randomly attached this y-axis profile for now. We will adjust its position later when we will attach the heat pad or y-axis gantry on the y-axis. So this is the 300 mm profile remaining. We will attach it later here when we will adjust z-axis, and this is the 360 mm aluminum profile remaining. We will use it in x-axis like this, and these are the two corner brackets we will use with 300 mm profile. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned about the frame of our DIY 3D printer. So in the next video, we will see that which gantries we are going to use and how we will adjust them on our frame. So that's it for today. If you still have any question, you can ask me in comment section or you can contact me. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.